Alrighty, we're going live now. Beautiful. Welcome everyone. We're live. Woo! What a day, what a day. Market close. Nice. Delicious. Welcome guys.
Power E-Trade gives you an award-winning.
Welcome. Okay. Perfect. We're in. Woo! Alrighty guys, so I got everything here. Everything set up, the chat. Welcome everyone. Welcome TikTok as well. What's up? Talking about stocks and crypto. There you go. So finally, now let's focus right here. So everyone, we got a Wednesday today, market close. We're looking at some stocks, some options, some cryptocurrency. My thoughts on Ethereum, on cryptocurrency, on Dogecoin. Honestly, I'm feeling pretty happy. I think in the end, always wanted to, what I always wanted to see at this time is the opportunity to buy. And one thing I gotta tell you for sure, guys, that I'm pretty excited as far as how Ethereum is growing. I think it's making me a lot of money right now. I don't know about you. If you have Ethereum, I think that's what you want to see. For example, right now, we're looking at Ethereum at 2,700. That's insane, right? That's insane. Here's my stock portfolio. Mainly I use for stocks, Robinhood. It's extremely popular, of course, and I know most of us we have Robinhood. So right now we have the Dow Industrial, typically like the index funds opening higher, and some single stocks really having some type of pullbacks. We see Pinterest at $68, and most of the stocks I have here that I've owned decreasing. So I mean, not bad at all. That's what we want to see. Let me see. There you go. Boom. Alrighty. So welcome here. Boom. There you go. Now, the good thing that I want to go over today is my Webull desktop, because here's where I have everything. I do my analysis and it's so fun. It's so beautiful. Let's go ahead and get this started. This is what I like to use for my lives, my Webull desktop. Highly recommended. So we're gonna see this right now. There you go. I'm trying to do more lives. I know this is an amazing tool for, to get people on the channel and to get people excited about stocks. I mean, I think lives are a great tool for us to just to have a good time. That's it. It's just about having a good time. And you have any questions about stocks and crypto, drop it in the chat. I'll be more than willing, more than able to help you out, give you all my thoughts and all my experience. And if I don't know something, well, I think it's now too, because it's about learning, right? And by the way, I drink a lot of water. Okay, so to start, and we're gonna have a good time here. I'm not gonna end this live shortly. I'm planning to take more than an hour, so we're gonna be here a long time, and just sit back, relax, and let me do the work. So let's see. So we're looking at one thing I want to change here. There you go. Okay, so we're looking at these stocks. Let's see which ones had the most positive change today, which is going to be Facebook, Okugen, Nail, Pinterest, Alphabet, Verizon, ExxonMobil, Coke, AT&T. So we got this Facebook really kicking it off with 7%. Then my all-time favorite, Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I mean, honestly, it's one that I really enjoy a lot. In fact, today, for those who are watching, I was I bought a Pinterest call, but then I sold it. And then I just went ahead and got some Microsoft shares, which I'm gonna elaborate a little bit later. But let me know if you own Microsoft, because I love Microsoft. I don't know you, but I really really like Microsoft. I think what I'm trying to do right now at this time is to get some good reliable stocks and just hold them for longest, right? Not really change my strategy, is buy and hold. I'm gonna go ahead and increase my. There you go. That's better. Just buy and hold. Don't worry about the rest. That's, I think, what's gonna work out a lot for me specifically. Okay, so getting back to this, I'm gonna show you a couple of indicators that are helping me right now. I'm been learning about indicators. I don't know you, but like when you wanna buy a stock and you are asking yourself when is the best time to buy a stock, or because I mean, you have money, like you and I, we have money to spare probably. And you're like, so when is the best time to buy a stock? Well, I'm going to show you right here. And if you're watching on TikTok, you go ahead and click on the links on my portfolio, on my profile, and you are gonna watch what I'm seeing right now. I might show it to my YouTube audience, so you see the indicators. You right now, you're seeing me, right? So very happy to anyone who is on TikTok. We're talking about stocks and crypto. Drop a question and I'll be answering here or in the live here on YouTube. What I'm trying to do here is, as your average Joe, as your average guy, how we can get out of that poverty mentality and achieve financial freedom. I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people getting that, having this mentality, right? And that's where I'm heading. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you Pinterest, which is a beautiful example today to my YouTube audience. Check out this beautiful analysis that we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and change to my single dashboard. I also created for you because I know some of my subscribers asked me to make a Webull desktop tutorial. So that's what I did, and it's already on my channel. Check it out, because let me tell you something, guys, if you're watching. It's very easy, and I think it's exciting to buy stock because it's so easy nowadays. Like I say once again, you put $100 and you buy a share right now. But it is 10 times more comforting knowing when, because if you're like me, like a year ago in 2020, I lost some money because I didn't know what I was doing. Just to give you that perspective. So Webull desktop, it's easy. It's not really as difficult to use, and it's gonna help you a lot with your trades. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get Pinterest right now. I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so you're seeing, there you go. Let me see. Okay, very good. I change. It's still getting a little bit used to my. There, I'm gonna do this. There you go. Getting still used to my to this live thing with all my windows. I think I'm gonna need a third monitor. For those who do lives, I think you understand the pain. But yeah, I think having another monitor will be even better. I mean, gosh. I do watch a lot of Twitch, and I love gaming. I mean, that's another part of me. I love gaming. I love all that kind of things. And they have like more than 2 monitors sometimes. So I'm gonna watch that for sure. So when I click on Pinterest here, you guys are seeing this. We're seeing that the 29 analysts are saying on Pinterest, strong buy and buy. So of course that tells you that it's a great time to buy Pinterest. So from an analyst perspective, go ahead and do it. We have an analyst price target right now. The price of interest is at $68, and the analysts are saying that a low scenario will be $42, an average scenario will be $87, and the high scenario will be $105. So I'm gonna tell you right now if it's a good time to buy it. And you're seeing on the screen more financials and the profile of the company and some of the news of the company, because Pinterest just released their earnings report a couple days ago, and of course, I mean, I think that that helps the company to show the performance, the growth. But I mean, in a way, what I've seen is that people buy the rumor, sell the news, so you don't really get to enjoy the profits once the earnings are out. So now you're seeing here the chart, and if we use the candlestick indicator, so one of the difference between the candlesticks and the line indicator, let me go ahead and see it. So if I do the line, this is what you're gonna see, which it kind of helps you because that's kind of so a little bit basic. You change to candlesticks, it really helps you understand when the stock has downward trends and upward trends. And that's something you don't see much on the line indicator, which is something that, you know, I got to learn a little bit as I was using more and more of this. So it's pretty cool. First thing I'm going to do with the indicators is going to be the moving average, and I already have everything right now ready for you. So the current price of Pinterest at $68. Right now the market closed, so there's the prices of the stocks are not moving right now. The Pinterest is under the moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 100-day moving average. So that by default is a good time to start a position. So just by looking at the moving average, everyone, it is not a bad time to get a position on Pinterest. So that's really good. So next, that's moving average. We're gonna see the bull. This is one I like because it's really, really straightforward. The bull indicator says that typically the price of the stock is going to be anywhere in the vicinity of the middle line that you're seeing right now, the blue line, which is a $78 price average. So what we're looking here is that the price of Pinterest is a $68 and the bottom line is $65. So technically, guys, the price of course did break at 65, and it was today, but it came back up. Now it's at 68. So that tells me that if you see it breaking that bottom line, best time to buy. That's your indicator to buy, everyone. That's your indicator to buy. And like I said, that's what I did. And but here's my other thing with Pinterest. I know as well that when it comes to the reason why I did sell my option here on Pinterest is because of this. And I instead of welcome Viper, welcome. The reason why I bought this the Microsoft shares is because based on the analysts and some reports that I'm seeing as well, it seems that Pinterest, like Peloton and Zoom, they took advantage of the pandemic. They took advantage of the pandemic and people who were inside all the time. But right now, as more people get vaccinated and as more people are going outside, Pinterest, Zoom, Peloton, some of those companies that shoot up to the sky because people were inside are the ones that are gonna have are gonna come back to the level they were during the pandemic or prior to the pandemic. Okay, so that is why, since I'm planning to hold stocks long term, I know that Microsoft is not going to be in that position because Microsoft is a juggernaut and they won't stop Microsoft pretty much. So to me, it makes more sense to own Microsoft long term than Pinterest right now. What I found is that I want to buy options for sure, but when the price is stupid low. So what do I mean with stupid low? Price that is stupid low is like the correction we had in March, and you are seeing right now on the screen the correction I'm talking about. So you see this, everyone, early March when we had the correction that everything was red. We were on a shipwreck. It was just hell loose. Everything was down and stuff like that. Well, the price of Pinterest got to $60. That is when you wanna, in my position, based on all the experience I've collected with options, I think that's when I want to start my my positions. I mean, for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and change some things right here. Let me see. I know I wanna tags. I forgot to add a couple of things here on my live, but it's fine. I'll do it later. It will slow-mo. It's all right. There's tons of things I'm still learning here in chat. I'm gonna add a couple of things here. Also, we're gonna be talking about Dogecoin as well. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Well, there's nobody here on the stream. I'm gonna be using this time wisely. Welcome, welcome. Dogecoin. Pretty good, pretty good. All videos. There you go. I'm gonna add one more. There you go. Okay, okay. Like it. Yeah, if you never done live on YouTube, it's pretty cool, but still it's a couple things to learn, so I like that a lot. Let me see. Okay. And let me see. Okay, that's cool. Shall we continue? So that's one thing about stocks, everyone, that I wanted to mention. For sure, good time to buy Pinterest, but just want to see, because of the pandemic now, of course, slowing down, people now getting outside. Better buy something that's a little bit more stable, like Microsoft. Ooh, nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the one and only Dogecoin, because Dogecoin, it's something else right now. So let's go ahead and turn our heads to cryptocurrency. And well, after you guys remember Dogecoin Day, which was on April 20th. If I'm not mistaken, it was April 20th or April 22nd. Yeah, it was April 20th. So nothing happened. Who remembers Dogecoin Day? That's insane. Well, I mean, I think with Dogecoin, the only thing I can say is that I took profits. I liked the coin. I think it makes sense. Could it get to $1? That's the big question, right? That people asking on every single stream and every single video. And I've been one of those who also ask and says, kind of creates this story about Dogecoin maybe getting to $1. So I think my mentality is this, guys. I prefer to have something that I know is gonna be more likely to happen, like Ethereum to $5,000 or Ethereum to $10,000, than Dogecoin, that could really be $1 or so, or just crash completely because the circulating supply is just huge. It's astronomical, the circulating supply of Dogecoin. That scares me a little bit, because if I'm planning to hold it, if I, of course, get really serious on Dogecoin and put anything in the vicinity of $100 to $500, you really never know if that money is gonna 2x or 10x. I think my idea for cryptocurrency is to find some reliable coins. Right now, of course, we're hearing about SafeMoon, we're hearing about SafeMart and Elongate. If you are on TikTok, of course, you have heard of those. And can't believe it. They're the ones who are taking the most traffic, Elongate and SafeMoon and Shiba. And wow, what I found with those ones is that it's something else, something that I haven't even pay too much attention. I don't really know much on them. I have the basics, like I explained in a previous video. But what I can tell you is how can a coin so cheap can get or can be meaningful to people. I mean, I know that tokens and cryptocurrencies, they all have a purpose. They almost have a purpose. Bitcoin is digital gold, now $5,000 for sure. Let's go ahead and check Bitcoin. Where are you? Where are you, my lonely? Here it is. So here's Bitcoin. I'm gonna do year to date and see what's going on with the good and only Bitcoin. Looking at 53,000. So look at these guys. 53,000 with Bitcoin. So far, we're looking at started on December 2020. The price of Bitcoin was $18,000. That was December 2020. And today, right now, the price of Bitcoin is $53,000. Not bad, to be honest with you. Not bad. I'm pretty excited for that. I'm pretty excited for Bitcoin. But here's the thing. It's already too expensive. It's like, for the typical person, when are you going to get a chance to buy or to hold one entire Bitcoin? I mean, of course, if you do make that kind of money, absolutely. And you can go ahead and get multiple or diversify. That's what I'm saying. But that is the entire mentality I have when it comes to cryptocurrency. Here is my favorite one. Woo! Ethereum. So if Bitcoin is digital gold and Bitcoin is trying, of course, to become more mainstream and be accepted to more private companies, Tesla, now you can buy a Tesla with Bitcoin, which that's pretty insane. When are we gonna see Bitcoin really getting into our pockets and the daily lives? I think that's gonna be insane. I think companies like Square, because Square has Cash App, and Cash App right now you can even buy Bitcoin because I do have Cash App. You see Riot, you see Coinbase now. Coinbase is very attractive at the moment. Go ahead and find Coinbase. Coin just IPO this month, April, and we see Coinbase right now. So this is the year-to-date Coinbase. Look at this. Got a huge $429, close to the peak of its IPO, and it dropped all the way down. Right now it's $294. And everyone, I did speak about Coinbase on one of my videos, and I said this: forget it, like don't buy it right now. Like I had because this is kind of like the experience one gets when you're learning about the stock market. It seems that before the pandemic, and this is just of course my opinion, it seems that before the pandemic things were way better when it comes to doing and learning about the stock market. Now after all this pandemic and things politicians do sometimes, I think at the end things are a little bit more volatile and the predictions are harder to realize, because everybody can say Coinbase is gonna be $1,000 by the end of 2021, but in reality, will it? Maybe not. But one thing I can tell you is that when it comes to IPOs, some of them, not all of them, but some of them are extremely, extremely hyped, and Coinbase was one of them. If you watch these guys from Millennial Money, Andre, and Financial Education, and meet Kevin, I do watch the Millennial Money live streams they have, and it's a great resource. Go ahead and watch it on YouTube. But I hear what they say, and they often say that they beat on Tattoo Chef, which is another stock, right? They beat on Coinbase or on Tesla and Coinbase. I mean, most of them, I believe, Andre and Financial Education, they lost, and meet Kevin as well. They lost some couple of money, some thousands of dollars on Coinbase because they thought that it was gonna just continue growing. But even my little experience in the stock market knew that it's just hyped at this point. Like it's like investors who get the chance of buying these stocks prior its IPO day buy it like at $200 or $100 because I mean this is just how it works. Once it gets to the market and public to everybody to purchase, that's when all the whales, as we like to call them, that's when they all sell. So goodbye to your investment. Now you have to wait for the next peak to get your profits. So I think after 1 year of looking at charts and my investments go down and up, I've learned that to be more to have more, let me see if I find the word, peaceness or like calmness to before I buy or I gain into a position. Because I mean, before I was like just super crazy and I have money and look at the bar. I mean, this stock is great. Look at what other people are saying. Oh, I'm super excited. Let's buy and buy because it's gonna go to the moon. But guess what? It was doing the exact opposite. I don't know if that happens to you as well, because that was me. That was me before, and I think of after so long that I failed and I came back again. I realized how to use charts better, how to use indicators better, and how to use my own gut and judgment before I buy. And sometimes, now it's working more frequently. Nice. So this is Coinbase, everyone, to wrap up with Coinbase. Now, if you ask me, Oscar, when will be a good day to buy Coinbase? Well, let's go ahead and take out the indicators. We don't have too many because the stock IPO at the middle of April, so the moving average don't work. The bull, I don't see any bull, of course, because it's really early. So the exponential moving average that we have is $314, and the price of the stock right now is $294. Honestly, I think that if the stock gets to $250, $260, that'll be a good price to enter for sure. Six analyst rating Coinbase say that the low price of Coinbase is $285, average is $479, and the high is $650. Now, here's the other side of the coin, which makes total sense. No pun intended, right? I like it. When it comes to Coinbase, guys, long term, it's going to be a huge player. I see it as a huge player. Like right now, I was talking about cryptocurrencies and doing some analysis and some future predictions on cryptocurrencies. What I can tell you guys, if you're watching this about, if you're excited about cryptocurrencies, about Ethereum, about Dogecoin, and so forth, there's something that we're seeing right now in the market. How people are stopping to believe that buying and holding for years is worse than getting into the train of excitement and hype on meme stocks and meme coins and meme crypto and becoming rich. That is what's happening right now. And sadly, we see a lot of people believing into that. What I believe is strong buy and hold, and that's the key to success. But don't be naive and have a little bit of money invested in those meme coins, meme stock, because you never know. I know that works because I've seen it work, and I know people back up that mentality. When it comes to Coinbase and how do I justify the future growth of this company based from what I believe and what I've seen, well, cryptocurrencies, guys, when I talk to my mom and dad about this investment stuff, and then when I talk to some Generation X people about cryptocurrencies, some of them, like a lot of them, have no idea what I'm talking about. And it seems that us as millennials and Generation C, because I'm a millennial, I'm already old. I'm not, I'm of course, I'm still young, right? But talking to 18-year-old kids, like, wow, I was there back in the day, but not anymore, right? So, Generation C, when you get to our age, that's like 10 years from now. Like, how is the dollar gonna be all is it gonna be garbage level? Like, it's gonna be all the inflation is gonna crush it? Because right now, I mean, the government is printing money like crazy. If you haven't paid attention to the news and politics, you have to be very, very aware of the printing money right now. Almost $30 trillion in debt. If you go and do a debt clock online, insane. That is why buy and hold cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, etc., like Cardano, it's not a really bad idea for us. It's not a really bad idea, everyone. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know. I mean, just speak up when I hear from you as well. But Coinbase, as a company that dedicates the transaction and the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, what are we gonna see from this company? Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? I think it's gonna be okay. But before I buy into an IPO direct listing that it was Coinbase, I do want to see at least 1 month. I want to see how it works. Like when I bought Upstart, from watching my channel, that Upstart made me a lot of money. I bought Upstart after like a month from after it was IPO, and from $43 went all the way to $100, and now came back to 60, and then went all the way to $160. It was insane. So I want to see Coinbase for a while, at least for mid-May, because right now it's coming all the way back down, and probably people are shorting the stock, are driving the price down. But whenever you least expect it, boom. And I do tend to agree that we're gonna be seeing Coinbase in the vicinity of $500 plus. Yes, I tend to agree with that position. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about Ethereum, because I didn't get to talk about Ethereum. So we're gonna do some beautiful technical analysis with Ethereum. Everyone, if you're watching this, we're gonna do beautiful technical analysis with Ethereum. I'm gonna show you. I've been posting this on my channel lately, cryptocurrency, a lot of crypto, but I'm gonna be posting now more Roth IRA stuff as well. I'll vary, but everything in the mix of investing and money. And what I can tell you guys is that for sure, I want to see. Look, Ethereum got to $2,800 when? Today, sometime today. Nice. It's pretty good. My portfolio, like I posted yesterday, double with Ethereum. Like my first Ethereum I bought was at the beginning of 2021, and it doubled my portfolio. Bought Ethereum when it was at $1,100. Now it's at $2,800. That was at the beginning of the year, and it's not even the middle of the year. It's not even, no, what, 4 months, almost 4 months after, and already doubled. Not bad, not bad. And that's what I'm saying with buy and hold instead of the quick become rich one day from now or 2-3 days from now, which I think that's what we're seeing a lot with these coins like SafeMoon, SafeMart, and all those, super cheap coins that I know there's a lot of community out there talking about them. I did talk a little bit about them, but gotta be mindful that it might be the next big thing, or just a complete shipwreck. And I don't want to lose my money until I see that at least Coinbase or Gemini validate any of them, and boom, I can start buying. For example, Dogecoin. How about Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin, you can buy it on Binance, on Robinhood, and on Webull now. Dogecoin has become not only a community to the moon Elon Musk coin, with a lot of people backing it up and talking about it. Even this guy from the Mavericks, I forgot his name. But you guys can help me. Mark Cuban. There you go. Just remember, Mark Cuban. So even Mark Cuban talking about Dogecoin on Ellen TV. That was pretty fun. I don't know if you watched it. But I mean, Dogecoin already is a coin that I will buy and sell any day. Like when I feel like, when I see it super down, I mean, I'll buy Dogecoin. Why not? But what I don't want to do is keep buying Dogecoin on Robinhood, because until Robinhood creates a good cryptocurrency wallet like all the other companies, which makes total sense. I don't know why Dogecoin hasn't opened a wallet. Like, don't they know they can have so many more customers if they I mean, just allocate some money there and that's it. They think that's a key. That's the key for them to make even more money. Let's see. So what I was saying about Ethereum, Dogecoin will be a good place for me to start if I see it on Coinbase or Gemini. Oh, yes. I wouldn't be a bad idea, to be honest with you. Wouldn't be a bad idea. If I see Dogecoin on Gemini or Coinbase, I'm getting some. Because I know, I mean, that crypto wallet, those brokers are special. They're good. And I'm not going to be regretting those decisions later on. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, guys, looking at the moving average, right now we're looking at 2,600 moving average until today. So right now Ethereum is above everything and all the charts. Looking at the ball, it's this. I really like this indicator. It's telling me that Ethereum is really way above where it's supposed to be, which is in the middle. So you're seeing right now this on the screen. That tells me that I'm not gonna buy until I see it below the line, which we've seen it here. The last time we saw Ethereum below the middle line, or getting or passing the bottom line, was March 25th. So it's been more than a month since I haven't seen Ethereum touching this bottom line. That is huge and that is amazing. The other time, one time prior to that, March 25th, was February 27th. And the last time was, let's see, anywhere in December 2020. So Ethereum has been respecting the middle line for the most part. Right here, we see a huge drop on February the 19th from, we're looking at like $2,000 all the way to $1,300. That was a huge, beautiful drop. It allowed for people to buy it. So that's what I'm waiting. That's what I'm waiting right now. I do see Ethereum dropping, but it's not even close. Like, it has to drop under $2,000 for, I mean, that's buying territory. If you don't buy under $2,000 Ethereum, you're gonna lose such a huge opportunity. That is the time to buy right now. Absolutely. Let me go ahead and there you go. Nice. Bingo. I was getting this updated. So, like I'm saying, Ethereum right now is right here, has to drop like around $2,400 or to $2,000, and bam, that's when we buy. That's when we get all the Ethereum you can possibly buy, guys. In compared to Bitcoin, let's do the same thing with Bitcoin. So look at this. I think it's a great chart for you to see what's going on in the market right now. We saw Bitcoin all-time high, everyone, on April 14, and from there it went all the way down that same, 3 days after, to 53,000, and then to 47,000 on the 25th. So Bitcoin right now, it's under this middle line that, typically stocks and crypto follow here on the bull indicator. So what I'm trying to do for sure is to get, right now buying Bitcoin is not a bad idea, to be honest with you, just by the fact that it's less than $60,000. Absolutely do it. Not a bad idea. Do it. 47,000 here. The thing is that that's what we're trying to increase our income, so we can buy more stuff like this, right? Who needs a new watch? Who needs a new phone? Or who needs another car? No. You want to buy investments. I'm probably not the only one, right? I want to buy investments, everyone. So for those who are watching, for those new, how you doing? Welcome. WNL girl, fourth investor. There you go. We're getting more investors coming into the room. Welcome. So yes, everyone. Bitcoin, not a bad time to buy. So let's go ahead and check. Like I was saying, Bitcoin, good time to buy. I have mine. Let me see. Oh, here it is. So Ethereum, it's high right now, so hold on it. Hold the door. Hold on Ethereum, because it's too pricey right now. I wanted to see it drop. So now on Dogecoin. Oh wow, look at that. And that is one more example, guys. This is one more example when I speak about serious cryptocurrencies. You see how Bitcoin and Ethereum do have, some consistency. Just look at this. What in the world is this? This is just mixed. This is, completely weird the way it seems. But, Dogecoin it's a joke coin. It's a meme coin. So when it's low, buy it. When it's high, maybe sell it. That's what I can tell you guys. But of course, right now, Dogecoin, the only way that it can be worth it is if it gets to $1 and absolutely go on and enjoy. I can keep posting a lot of TikToks. Dogecoin right now at 3, let's do interval 1. So we see this. Just look at this beauty. So I'm going to do, that's the 1 minute range non-Dogecoin. So we're seeing that in the last, it's just today. So I'm going to do in 1 month. No, let's do 5 days. That's better. So take a look at that, everyone. Everyone who's watching here, Dogecoin. Take a look at that. We're looking here. This is what, 1 day? Oh yeah, this is 1 day. No, I want more. This is like 2 days or so. Okay, that's good. It's just a lot of change in the crypto market for sure. So far, we don't see any change. But when it comes to Dogecoin, I just want to see a good, nice average level. Right now, it seems that it's in around 30 cents. So I'm greedy, so I'm still waiting to drop under 10 cents. if you see the last 1 month, right here, guys, I'm gonna show you this right here. You see this? Those on YouTube, you see this on Dogecoin. Here, I mean on YouTube, was below the line, below the margin of the ball indicator. Bam. Then it came back and it kind of stayed in the middle. Not bad. Ooh. I mean, whew. Dogecoin is something else for sure. So I'm gonna go back to my stocks and I'm gonna show you my positions on Robinhood. There you go. So like you know, guys, the market is closed. So what are the top stocks to buy right now? What are the top crypto to buy right now? So after everything that we've been discussing, I think for sure that the top stocks right now to buy is absolutely gonna be Pinterest. As I showed you early in the beginning, great stock to buy right now. Anything when it comes to Microsoft, I bought it today at around $250 average. So beautiful store right now. That's one thing also I tell even before I do any live streams or videos to my Patreon members on Discord. So go ahead and check that out, guys, if you want to join my Patreon. I mean, Neo right now, go ahead and click on Neo. What's the latest? I do have a position on Neo as you're seeing right now, and I'm under 35% total return. But I'm gonna hold this one, baby. I'm not selling. This is a long-term position with Neo. It was $60 now, of course, dropped so much. So I'm not selling. Plug Power is still long-term hold. FSL long-term hold. Sadly, of course, I didn't liquidate my positions when I was, back in the day. Back in the day, I mean like on January or so, but I'm still holding. So I'm not selling, not planning to sell at all. So my options, the only option right now that matter a lot for me is going to be the Apple $150 strike price. And well, I've been holding my options dearly, but can't believe it. I'm a clear example of buying options and not selling them on time. But I mean, I've learned from my experience. I've learned from this. So in a way, they helped me to become a better investor very early in my career. So that's great. Apple had huge numbers. And yesterday, you take a look at this, went all the way to 137. I saw Apple. You're seeing now the chart. Now it's getting back up to 130. So it's really not leaving that price. Back in January, $140+ Beautiful stuff. But still, we don't see Apple breaking back again to the 140. But it's coming back. March was a devastating moment for Apple and for me. But it's fine. We're going to get over and we're going to do it even better. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close my, there you go. New follower, that's pretty cool. Just stop my TikTok live. I'm getting to know more about TikTok, everyone. It's just so many different networks and social media. It's insane. So Apple, guys, I do have this option. My total return is, of course, negative. And I have a stop loss sell on Apple because now I'm making a little bit more money since I bought it back when it was like around $120. So I've been holding Apple right now. I think my positions with stocks is that since I think for 2021 we're still waiting for a bull run and waiting for a correction. So we had a correction on the stocks, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you my Webull. So I'm gonna go and do SPY. I think that's the best place for you to see it. There you go. Okay, well, I have it right here. Here it is. So I'm gonna show you here 1 year. So right here. So you're seeing here my screen when it comes to SPY. Starting the year right here, the S&P 500, we had this correction early March. And then look at this. Look at this beautiful bull run, guys. You're seeing this right now, starting on March 25th all the way to today, April 29. The S&P 500 has grown from 300. The S&P 500 SPY ETF has grown from $385 all the way to $420, guys. So I am waiting for a drop in the market to start putting big bucks in my stocks. How do you see that? How do you see that? Bitcoin dominance is kind of trying to break the resistance. How you doing, buddy? Welcome to the chat. We already talked about Bitcoin, and we're gonna continue talking about Bitcoin. So stay tuned. Welcome. So like I'm saying, talking about crypto and stocks right now, we're gonna go ahead and check everything right now. We're just going step by step. But what I can tell you is that for stocks and the stock market, we're still due one pullback or one correction and one bull run. We're still due that in 2021. So I'm not really gonna be dropping a lot of huge bucks until we have this pullback. This has to come down, guys. This has to come down. You see this? I like this. I like this, guys. But this, people are talking about, of course, a housing market crash. People are talking about stock market crash. They always do that. They always talk about all those kind of things. And as I get more and more experience with the stocks and crypto and stuff like that, I tend to know that for sure. I mean, eventually it will happen, and I'm just excited for it because I don't want to have any more option failures. Now I'm just waiting for that pullback to come down, and when it's at a stupid level low, that's when I buy. That's when we attack. For some companies like Apple, they really haven't recovered, but technically, the entire market has, and just waiting for that. Now, check out QQQ. That's another one. This is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, the S&P 500 that we just saw right now, typically is less technology companies and more industrials. Now we're looking at QQQ. This is QQQ. These are tech companies, most tech companies. So it's pretty awesome. See? We got a couple of questions here. How much do you rely on technical analysis? Heavily. Now heavily. I've learned a lot over the last couple of months and year, and that was before. I didn't really use technical analysis. It was more YOLO plays, but now I do use it more widely. So good question, buddy. We have to use technical analysis, like I was showing right now, different indicators. So for QQQ, we're gonna be using the moving average. And the price, of course, is above all the moving average right now. The ball It's right following the middle line, so that's good. We want to buy when it's below or touching the bottom line here, and sell, or I mean, not really selling an index fund like this. You just want to hold it, but you want to keep adding more and more and more positions once you see the price drop into the bottom line, which is the yellow one here. Another one is the RSI. The RSI, guys, let me see. I don't know why sometimes this doesn't work. There should be. Well, you're not seeing here the other line, which is 70.30. For some reason, it's not showing here, but it has to show. So you have a 70.30 range. So it does help you see when it's above the 70 indicator, you sell. When it's touching the 30 indicator, you buy here on the RSI indicator. So right now it's, you know, somewhere above. Nice. So looking at the most volume ones and the hot industries, go ahead and do the single. I'm gonna do SPY. Nice. FNCMX. I have some Roth IRA people in the house watching my videos as well, my Roth IRA stuff like that. You guys, if you're into the Roth IRA, let me know in the comments because I love it. I love it. Tax advantage accounts, the best ones out there for sure. Ooh, well, everyone, that was some good stream. I gotta tell you, that was some good stream. Wow. I think right now, top, of course, stocks to buy. Like I mentioned, Pinterest, Microsoft, and for me, the cryptocurrencies that I want to buy as well is going to be Ethereum. Is going to be maybe some Dogecoin if it keeps dropping, so we get some good positions. And Bitcoin, not a bad time to buy Bitcoin as well, guys. Let me go ahead and see. Nice. So looking here pretty good. Whew. For those who have Gemini to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, Gemini just added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new cryptocurrencies. So that's pretty cool. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So I'm gonna exit this. I'm gonna open Gemini. What up? I'm gonna go ahead and open Gemini right now for you, so you see what's going on in my cryptocurrency market. Perfect. Beautiful. Now going back to the screen. Bam, there you go. All right, so Crypto people, look at this. So we got more comments from you, my man, saying people are saying it's altcoin season, but I saw Bitcoin dominance and it's not going down as it should on 1 hour time frame though. On my iPad, my stream looks well, but you guys let me know if there's anything going on. I always try to have the best experience possible for my viewers on my live streams. And yeah, I mean, I may not have the best computer, but I still have a lot of fun, everyone. Okie dokie. So take a look at this, guys. These are the new ones recently launched: Sushi, WAP, Polygon, Live Peer, Injective Protocol, Barn Bridge, and Somnium Space. And most of them are under $50. One is under $1, and that's it. That's not bad. So you gotta check this out, everyone. You gotta check this out. Now, look at my portfolio. It's now under 3,000. That tells me that Ethereum is coming back down. And that to me, it's an amazing thing. That is a great thing, guys. Because I wanna keep buying Ethereum, but I'm of course not gonna buy it at the top. That's dumb. That's dumb. Let's see. Oh, okay. I cannot change the stream latency once it's on. Okay. Pretty cool. There are a couple of things I'm still learning as I go. I think I'm going to change it to low latency later on. Nice. Cool. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so as I'm talking about dashboard here, once I see Dogecoin here, like I was telling you, I'm gonna go crazy. It's gonna be great. But just look at all of this. And as you're saying here on the chat, people are saying it's altcoin season. What is an altcoin? Anything that's not Bitcoin, that's an altcoin. Very easy, right? Very easy. Ethereum is an altcoin. So for those who are watching, I got into AMP. I'm going to tell you why right now. So AMP coin crypto. So look at this. AMP, the Flexa network enables crypto collateralized payments at brick and mortar vendors. So the token AMP is the digital asset token used to collateralize payments on the Flexa network, making them instant and secure. It is built on Ethereum in accordance with the ERC20. So one thing I like this, guys, is that it's built on Ethereum. So typically now a lot of altcoins are built on Ethereum. Many of them are built on Ethereum. That's the powerful thing about Ethereum. It's a network. It's a blockchain that you can create dApps, and those are the tokens. These coins that are coming up in the market. Now, why did I choose AMP? Because I like this, the Flexa network payment at brick and mortar. Eventually, if you were gonna be getting some cryptocurrencies out in the market, in the mainstream, AMP I think has a good proposition. Even they can sometime partner with Square, because Square, that's what it does. They don't have crypto collateralized payments or crypto payments on Square, but What if they start using some technology from AMP? I think that will be great. And the fact that it's on, on a Gemini, that tells me that it's secure. That tells me that it has been approved by the Gemini people, and I feel very good. Plus, it's super cheap. So if I'm gonna be putting a lot of money, or $100 or $500 on a coin that is less than 10 cents, might as well. It's less than 10 cents. Everyone, let's go and get it. It was, let's see, 1 year ago it was 1 cent. Now it's 5 cents. Of course, but what if it just skyrockets and everybody now starts talking about it? I'm gonna be looking. I mean, I'll be already rich. I'll be rich if I'm right? AMP, get it. I mean, that's what I have. I have $100. I'm fine. And plus, I'm putting this cryptocurrency on the earned interest, so I'm getting paid by just having it. Isn't that cool? Bernardo, can you look at SMTY, Smoothie Finance? Absolutely, Bernardo. Absolutely. Give me 1 second. SMTEY. Is that a coin? Is that a, let me see. Is that a stock? Smoothie Finance. You say Smoothie Finance. No. SMTEY. Oh, it's a coin. I see. It's a coin. Let's see. Oh, wait. I don't know how to type. SMTEY coin. Smoothie price today. Okay. Let's see. What is this? What is this? Crypto miner. What up? Smoothie. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Bernardo. Thank you for sharing. So just say, take a look at it. So I'm taking a look at it, and the price is $1. So it's none of those super cheap coins. I like it. It was $2 on today, and now it's $1. What is the market cap of this thing? Less than 10 million. What is this? Let's read. The lives, Smoothie Finance. What does it do? When I see, what does it do? Okay. Tell us in the chat if you're here, Bernardo. Why do you have it? Why do you like it? Because I haven't heard of it, and it seems it's not on Coinbase or Gemini, but it's on all those brokers. So pretty cool. I'm happy it's not under $1. But like I was telling you, everyone, so many come into the market. Which one to buy, right? Which one to buy? So like I'm telling you right now, AMP, I got it. To me, makes sense, and I'm buying like $50 of it or $100 of it. Just makes total sense for sure. Here in Gemini. For those who want to join the crypto community, for those who want to start buying, if you're watching this, click the link down below. I have my Gemini link. You and I get $10 of Bitcoin free. And you start buying some good stuff. So Bernardo says, it's a new project. You can swap stable coins with zero fees at great potential. Hey, thank you for sharing, Bernardo. I'll have it on the top of my mind. Now it's on my radar. I didn't know. And you know, one of the things about coins is that just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at this. I'm gonna drink some water even. Nice. So I really want to learn how easy or difficult it is to make a coin like this. Because if you put in your head right now of a crypto investigator, when would you stop? Like how many projects, how many coins have to be out there? Which one is the good one? Which one is the worst one? Which one is a scam? Which one is real? Because don't tell me that all of the coins are good projects and there's no single scams out there, right? So that is my issue. That is my issue. For me to buy a new coin, it has to be on Gemini or Coinbase, period. I do buy Dogecoin on Robinhood because it's Robinhood and I know I can just bombard Robinhood with emails and call them and just bother them so much that they will have to respond to me, right? But on those other coins, on brokers that I have no idea, Benoardo, to be completely honest with you, I'm sure they have great potential, right? But I just don't know, right? I just don't know. And I'm not losing anything on not being the first ones to buy that coin. Like Safe Moon or stuff like that. Risky. I know because I watched some videos on YouTube and they're like, I just doubled my investment in 1 hour. Wow. That's insane, but still. Oh boy. Wow. So it's 4:12 and we've been live for more than an hour. I really like that, honestly, guys. I really like that. It's Wednesday. So what I'm doing now that you're watching me, guys, first and foremost, thank you so much for staying. A couple of you, I had like 6 or 8 viewers at most today, but I want to find the best time to have as many people as possible and just to talk to you and go over coins and check stocks and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna be trying maybe at this time. I think probably later on in the day, like around 8 p.m. will be even better. I see people live streaming around that time, so people are out of work and like off work. So I'm gonna be trying some live streams now as well. I won't be posting a video today. I did 2 yesterday about how much money you can get on YouTube. My first month, guys. If you ever wanna try YouTube for your investments, well, go ahead and check it out. Let me go ahead and put this one. There you go. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, like I was telling at the very beginning of our conversation, I do want to for sure become financially free. And the way to do that is to work a lot and to never surrender, no matter how difficult it is. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. I gotta bounce, but I may come later on today. Maybe not. But tomorrow for sure, I don't want to. No, tomorrow is Friday. I won't be able. But anyway, sometime in the weekend, I do want to do a live at night. I think that will be cool. I'm just checking. I'm trying to see when my audience is on the most, so I can chit chat with you because I love all my subscribers, getting close to 2,000. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So I see you here and I help you out with your investments. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching. You're awesome. And we say goodbye with seeing the Dogecoin price. We'll see what happens. To the moon, Dogecoin. We'll see if we get $1. You take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.